every new pose is different. If you can hold this, please.
Yes.
Let's have a look at the cover story.
So we have this spread page, which is a dynamic, as I named. And we have a cover story about his journey. And then the next page. That's right, he's detectable. And then we have more. It has run into 3 pages now. Much more. Splendid movie. All images are very different. If you see it minutely, all images give a different look, a different meaning. It's amazing. I had to call him and I had to ask him because every image had some story. A versatile. See, amazing, amazing. And then, you know what he said in the testimonial? He said, I believe in 3 E's of dance. And this is entertainment, education, and enlightenment. That is what he mentioned. So, what he speaks, he. And then we have other pages. But we are really proud to have you. Thank you so much.
I didn't expect to get so many pages, to be honest. I thought it would be one cover story and just the article. But thank you for doing the article with us. Thank you, sir, for this honor. It just feels wonderful. And I must tell you that when we shot for this cover with Akash, it was very, very special. So today Akash is here, and I would like Akash to say a few words about how it was to shoot, especially for Enlighten India cover. It's one of the most prestigious magazines और 10 सालों से 12 सालों से मैगजीन चली आ रही है और पहली बार कोरियोग्राफर को कवर पे लाया गया है. इट्स वंडरफुल. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि मेरे लिए डांस के 3 मतलब होते हैं. 3 E's of dancing. One is entertainment, one is education and one is to enlighten. So ये तीनों पर्पस जो हैं डांस के सॉल्व होते हैं और एनलाइटन के साथ जुड़ना through my meaning of dance, it's very, very special for me and I am really thankful to you, Mr. Mehta. Thank you.
मेहता सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे संदीप सर को कवर पे लेने के क्या प्लान्स थे, कैसे वो ऑन बोर्ड आए, थोड़ा सा उस बारे में?
11 साल से अपनी मैगजीन्स चल रही है और जैसे मैंने बताया कि संदीप जी से बात कर रहे थे. हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं, काफ़ी टाइम से फ्रेंड्स हैं. बहुत सारे इवेंट्स किए, बहुत सारे साथ में हम लोग ने ट्रैवल किए, लेकिन एक बोलता नहीं, एक स्पॉट मिल नहीं रहा था कि कैसे करें. और ये लॉकडाउन में हम लोग इतने क्लोज आए और उनके जो फिलैंथ्रोपीज, उनके जो सोशल कॉज, उन्होंने जो सी हैज़ गिवन बैक टू द सोसाइटी. तो आई सेड के इज़ अ मल्टी टैलेंटेड मैन, इज़ अ वेरी गुड सोल. और मैंने बोला कि संदीप जी अगर आप कहीं शूट करा ले तो चलो हम लोग जनवरी न्यू ईयर में हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करें. इट वॉज लाइक अमेजिंग एनी टाइम, बिकॉज हम लोग में रिलेशंस ऐसी है ना कि इट इज़ लाइक ही इज़ एनलाइटन इंडिया, आई एम संदीप सुपरकर, वी आर लाइक वन. मगर ये सोच ही नहीं आई थी, लेकिन बोला कि 2021 के जनवरी में हम लोग ये बिगिनिंग करें. एंड वी हैड अ वेरी गुड शूट विथ आकाश एंड देन वी प्रोजेक्टेड. इंटरव्यू भी इतना लंबा चला, वी हैड टू कट डाउन ऑन सो मेनी थिंग्स बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी एस्पेक्ट्स. लेकिन मैं बोला कि संदीप जी हम लोग को सब चीज़ बतानी है, आपकी जर्नी बतानी है. आप आरजे थे, आप यहाँ किए, आपने बॉल रूम इंट्रोड्यूस किया, आपने लैटिन किया, आपने डांस फॉर द कॉज किया, आपने अवार्ड मिला. मतलब अपने गवर्नर के हाथों से अवार्ड मिलना, इट इज़ नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग. एक पैशन होता है, एक हार्डवर्क होता है और एक गुड सोल, यानी कि अगर सब बराबर होवे तो भगवान भी अपने को ये करते हैं. सो विथ माई गॉड्स नेम परम कृपालु देव श्रीमद राजचंद्र जी, I belong to that community and I shared with him, with you, Sandeep ji, you have to come to our ashram, take blessings and we go ahead with that. So with Guru's divine blessings, Sandeep ji has a very pure heart, soul, and I'm getting goosebumps. He's a gem of a person and this is how. आपके सामने है और आप लोग को भी काफ़ी धन्यवाद कि आप लोग इतने माध्यम में आए, आप लोग ने सुना, ये किया. सो थैंक यू सो मच. इसको इतना स्प्रेड कर दीजिएगा, जो फैक्ट है वो प्लीज स्प्रेड करिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
संदीप सर, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, सर ने जैसे बताया कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें उनको इसमें डालनी थी मैगजीन में, तो वॉज इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू कन्वे एवरीथिंग टू देम?
Well, what was difficult was to think back and remember so many things. Dance for a Cause मैंने 2008 में शुरू किया था, तो उसके बारे में सोचना क्या क्या हुआ, कौन से शोज़ किए. सो आई थिंक इट टुक मी बैक इन टू ओल्ड डेज. आई थिंक इट फील्स वंडरफुल अगर आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में सोचते हैं और उसके बारे में बात करते हैं और फिर उसको जब पढ़ते हैं. So it's a different feeling altogether. But yes, this interview was very special because it took me back into my times, and it's taking me ahead as to what I have in future as well. So it was a complete memory game at the same time what I have for my future altogether.
Yeah, ma'am, how was your experience? You are looking gorgeous, first of all.
Thank you.
How was your experience, today's experience? If you would like to share with us, and how's the bonding with Sandeep sir?
Oh, the bonding with Sandeep sir is very good. Actually, I was a very big fan before I started dancing with him. And it was always my dream to dance with him. And it came true when one day he came and said, "Do you want to dance with me?" I said, "What?" He said, "Yes." And I like, "No, yes, of course I want to dance." And he is like, sir has already mentioned, he's the best person to work with. He's very humble and he respects you, appreciates everything. And it is very, very nice to work with you and dance with you. And also, sir, it's very nice to see that you are appreciating his talent, his achievements, and everything that he's done for the society. It is a brilliant thing that you have brought that out and to so many people to see and read about it and take an example of what somebody like Sandeep Soparkar has done for India.
संदीप सर, it's been 2021 चल रहा है सर, क्या रेजोल्यूशंस बनाया आपने 2021 के लिए और 2020 से क्या सीखा आपने?
रेजोल्यूशन तो मैंने कुछ नहीं बनाया थी. हम लोग बनाते हैं और तोड़ देते हैं काफ़ी सब लोग, तो रेजोल्यूशन कुछ नहीं बनाए. बट येस, 2020 से ये ज़रूर सीखा कि हम लोग दो कपड़ों में रह सकते हैं. एक ज़माना था जब हम लोग बोलते थे रोटी कपड़ा मकान. अभी रोटी ऑफकोर्स इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, कपड़ा इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट एनी मोर. आप दो जोड़ी में रह सकते हैं. वाईफाई इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट ताकि आप सब कनेक्ट रहें. एंड ऑफकोर्स मकान इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एज वेल. सो रोटी, वाईफाई and Makan is what's important. ये सीखा गया. And I think at the same time the families came together. That was the most beautiful part of 2020. हम लोग सब साथ में घर में थे, आप लोग सब साथ में घर में थे. And we realized इतने हमारे लाइफ में हम लोग भागते हैं काम के लिए, अपने पैसे कमाने के लिए, नेम फेम के लिए, कहीं पे अपने माँ बाप को, अपने घर वालों को हम लोग भूल जाते हैं, or we take them for granted. But this was a time when everyone came together, and I came together with my parents after many years, and it just felt so wonderful to have my children and my parents all together. So it was a beautiful feeling. एक घर साथ में, जो बोलते हैं घर साथ में जुड़ता है, बनता है, वो फीलिंग 6-8 महीना एक साथ जो मुझे कभी कभी हफ्ता 10 दिन मिलती थी, ये इतने महीने एक साथ मिली इतने सालों बाद मेरे कॉलेज के दिनों की मुझे बहुत याद आई. एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट. 2021 has taught us through 2020 that we need to look forward to brighter things, be positive, stay energetic. Like I always say, dance to me is like कर्ण का सुनहरा कवच. It's like लक्ष्मण रेखा. जब तक सीता लक्ष्मण रेखा के अंदर थी तब तक वो सुरक्षित थी. जब तक कर्ण ने कवच पहना था वो सुरक्षित था. Dance creates that सुरक्षा around you. So always keep dancing. 2020 taught me, it keeps me positive, it keeps me energetic, it keeps me सुरक्षित. And that is what is very important. तो आप लोग आर्ट को अपनाइए, और कोई भी आर्ट फॉर्म हो, चाहे म्यूजिक हो, डांसिंग हो, कुकिंग हो, गार्डनिंग हो, पेंटिंग हो, कुछ भी हो, आर्ट जो है it becomes like the कवच, it becomes like Lakshman Rekha, and stay positive, and that's what 2021 will bring for all of us.
So any of your upcoming project after this?
वेल पहला शो की शुरुआत आज आप लोगों के सामने हुई है एंड आई एम श्योर लॉट्स मोर कमिंग अप. Yes, I have a musical that is coming up very soon. You will see it probably in March. So it's almost getting ready, where I'm doing lots of new dance forms, which is very exciting for me. And of course, a few films which will take some time by the end of this year. So I think 2021 looks bright.
Sheila ma'am, any of your upcoming projects would you like to share with us?
Yes, I mean, I run a business apart from being a dancer, but so there is a few things. The musical is there, and yeah, some modeling assignments, of course, and my business. Yeah. So, but you will stay tuned. Don't worry.
Mehta sir, what is after this?
The next edition, I was just telling him with this particular event, I said we need to feature on a smaller scale, and secondly, the next edition, the cover page we have is okay. I'm announcing we have Akanksha Puri.
Different experience for me because I work with so many models and fitness models. So he's a dance choreographer, right? So जब संदीप सर पोज करते हैं, like वो एक ऐसा रहता है ना, एक डांस, I mean उनके अंदर दिख के आता है. So I saw that type of thing in this shoot. So we started shoot in morning 10, and I guess रात 10:30. Like 12 hours we are working on this look. We completed almost 13 look in one day. So it was good experience with Sandeep Soparkar. Yeah.
Ankita ma'am, what do you want to say about Sandeep Soparkar sir, and he is on cover and you have long association with him. What do you want to say?
So my association with Sandeep sir has been for almost 12 to 15 years, I would say, as a student and then as a manager. And he always encourages. He's the one who's put me on stage, hosting everything bit by bit. And I think I've started from organizing cakes and making sure that table comes in time to hosting the show. So the credit goes to him. He's really encouraging. And it's always very, very beautiful to see him on magazine covers. क्योंकि जब आप देखते हो कि आपका टीचर what he can do and how he can present things, so it really gives you also a lot of courage to do things. So the credit goes to him.
Satya ma'am, what do you want to say about this cover and how was your experience working with Mr. Soparkar?
Yeah. So Sandeep is my dear friend for past 15-18 years now, and it's a great honor to see this amazing cover. Absolutely delighted to have this awesome view and amazing concept, Enlighten India, and very, very pleased and honored to talk a few words about my friend Jigar's venue, Roots of India. It's a great venue, and for authentic Indian food, of course, if you live in India, you must try authentic Indian food. Then this is the place to come in at Times Square at Andheri East. So yeah, I think I know everything very closely now. It was amazing meeting the director of Enlighten India, great personality. So it's great to be here and amazing cover, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
मुंबई रफ्तार न्यूज़ की खबरें पसंद आने पर हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें.